Валентина Скультэ. Английский для детей. Часть 2. Урок 30.
The 30th lesson. A new game. One day, Mrs. Dale fell ill. She had a terrible headache and could not bear any noise. So she begged the children to behave themselves and sit quietly in the drawing room, which was rather far from her bedroom. All of a sudden, Lily came in with a big crowd of little boys and girls. The carrot had invited them to play hide and seek, and now they had come as his guests. Poor Polly was at a loss. She did not know how to turn the children out without offending them. Suddenly, a bright idea came to her mind. "Children, let's go to the backyard," Polly said. "What shall we do there?" the children asked. "We shall play lotto there," Polly answered. "Is it with pictures?" one of the boys asked. "Oh yes, lots of very nice pictures with all kinds of birds, insects and animals. I'll show you a new game," Polly chattered, leading the children away as far as possible from Mrs. Dale's windows. All the children sat down, and Polly opened the lotto box. "Now, kids, look here. I'll take one of the cards. You mustn't see which. I won't show it to you. Look, I'll keep it in my hand, like this," Polly said, taking one card from the box. "Now you must guess what is on my card by asking questions. Now let us start." "I want to take a card," Jimmy said. "Why must it be you? Maybe I want to take it too," Lily said angrily. "Don't quarrel," Polly said. "We shall see who will be first. Which of you knows a counting out rhyme?" "I know one," a small freckled girl said. "Well, say it," Polly said. The freckled girl began to recite, touching each child with her hand. "I shall see you pretty soon, maybe now, maybe in June. I will give you something nice, maybe turkey, maybe rice." The last word fell on Jimmy the carrot. "Jimmy, you begin," Polly said. Jimmy smiled and put his tongue at Lily. Lily got furious. "I won't play the game. That counting out rhyme won't do," she cried. "Hush! Don't shout. I shall recite another counting out rhyme," Polly said. And Polly began to recite very, very fast. The witch told her daughter to fetch her some water, to pick quick some nettle, to put it in the kettle, then to catch some flies and fleas, and boil them tender with green peas. The last word fell on Polly. "Will that do?" Polly asked, looking at the astonished faces of the little boys and girls. "Oh, Polly," the children cried, "it's wonderful. Do recite it once more." "Where did you get it?" "I made it up myself," Polly said. "Oh, Polly dear, teach us your rhyme, do," the little girls begged. "I will gladly, if you sit still and try to guess what card I've got in my hand. The winner gets my counting out rhyme written on a sheet of paper. Will that do?" "Yes, yes, let's begin playing," the children shouted. Everybody wanted to be the winner. "Well, what have I got in my hand?" "A cow," Jimmy said. "No, it isn't." "Well, then a horse." "No, it isn't." "Is it a thing?" "No, it is not a thing." "Is it alive?" "Yes, it is alive." "Has it a tail?" "Yes, it has a very short tail." "Is it covered with fur?" "No, it isn't." "How many legs has it?" "It has 2 legs." "Can it swim?" "No, it can't." Does it lay eggs? Yes, it does. Is it covered with feathers? Yes, it is. Can it fly? No, it can't. Can it sit in a tree? No, it can't. Does it sing? No, it doesn't. Is it a bird? Yes, it is. Where does it live? It lives in Africa. What colour is it? It is black and white. Has it wings? Yes, it has. Has it horns? Oh, Jimmy, how can a bird have horns? Polly exclaimed. Has it toes? Yes, it has 2 toes. Oh, Polly, for shame, you are joking. There are no birds with 2 toes, the children cried. I'm not joking. There are such birds, and you know them. Shall I help you? Polly asked. Help us a little. We can't guess, the children cried. Well, it is a big bird. It can run very fast, though it cannot fly at all. It lays very large eggs. Its feathers are very beautiful and expensive. Some women wear them on their hats. Now guess. I know, now I know, Jimmy cried. It's a sparrow. Oh, Carrot. Do sparrows lay big eggs? Can they run very fast? Are they black and white? Do you think they cannot fly? For shame. Think before speaking, you silly boy, Polly said, laughing. The children burst out laughing too. Then Polly went on. Its eggs are so big that if you were hungry and wanted to cook one of its eggs, you would have enough, all of you. Where does it lay its eggs? Lily asked excitedly. In its nest. What is its nest made of? It's made of sand. Oh, it's an ostrich! Lily shouted with all her might. Hush! Don't shout so loud. Our mother is ill, Polly hissed. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know, Lily whispered. Lily is the winner, Polly said, showing the card with a big ostrich on it.